Welcome to the Hilti PROFIS Engineering Suite to SAP 2000 Introduction tutorial. It will just take a moment to walk through how to import load combinations from SAP 2000. First, log into PROFIS Engineering Suite with your registered Hilti username and password and open a new design. Next, go to the superstructure design in SAP 2000 and run a calculation by clicking on the play symbol located in the header bar. Once complete, select the load combinations you'd like to export to PROFIS Engineering Suite. Before going back to PROFIS Engineering Suite, log into the PROFIS Structure Software interface, which you should have installed on your computer. From here, open PROFIS Engineering Suite and locate the Load tab to import the loads you selected in SAP 2000. The import window will list all available load combinations. Simply select the load combinations you'd like to import and click the Import button. The selected load combinations will appear in the Multiple Load Combinations window, and you can immediately see the results in the output pane. You can save your work as a template or export the output as a report, PROFIS design file, or a BIM or CAD file. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more information, please visit hilti.com.